Hello. We are now in Taipei. It is 12:55 right now. We are currently in Taipei Airport, just landed.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Actually, I don't think we're supposed to record.
Sell this place.
So this place, right, is filled with a variety of people. If you are very sociable, you will enjoy this place.
We are on express train right now to Taipei Station, to our hotel, Caesar Park, Taipei. We've just checked into our hotel, so we've put our luggage, and now we're just walking around the streets of Taipei just to look for our travel card. There's a small little display pasar malam. We're eating our cha ye dan or tea egg.
Okay, look at this. How do you find it? My dad is speechless.
Just like our hard-boiled egg. No, I don't find any special
He
taste.
sucks as a food critic.
We just alighted at City Hall, going to Songshan Cultural Center. We are at the Songshan Cultural Park. Basically, it's like a series of old buildings that they convert into like cultural places where people can enjoy coffee, arts, food and whatnot. So there you go. You see some of these old buildings here, right here. Used to be some factory for processing. We are at Nanjichang Yeshi night market. It's lots of people, as you can see, and the smell is amazing. There's lots of food. Let me show you. Look at the... Alright, xiaolong bao.
Is that noodle? Oh, damn good. That one can order one more.
Good morning, guys. This is day 2. I'm currently at the Sifen Pubu, which is the Sifen waterfall in Chinese. Crossing the bridge, you can see the amazing valley view. So the weather currently is pretty good. It's about maybe 26 degrees. Nice wind, nice breeze. Just crossing the valley, and you can see the suspension bridge over there. And this is our driver that we hired for the day to drive us around. He's actually basically our tour guide as well, our ad hoc tour guide to show us the scene. And this is the outfit for the day. Just slacks, black shirt, beanie and a sunnies. I'm currently at the Sifen Pubu. As you can see, it's a majestic view of the waterfall behind me. Yes, this is what we came here for. It's a very short hike. It's probably about 8 minutes hike from the car park to the Shifen Pool. We are done with the Shifen Pool. Now we are on our way to Shifen Laojie. What do you think about Shifen Pool?
Wow, so beautiful. But you pay overpriced for sausage.
Yeah, but the sausage was still good.
That's so good.
Yeah. Alright guys, we are at Shifen Laojie, or the Shifen Old City, walking on the train track. So this is an active train track, so the train will pass through here just like the ones in Bangkok, and when the train comes, this place will be cleared for the train to pass through. Yes, so basically here is a place where people just release lanterns, as you can see, quaint old shops that, you know, for you to eat, buy souvenirs. Walking or making our way up to Shifen Laojie, having to hike a lot of staircase up. Okay, let's introduce the Mr. Cat, a gentleman cat. Look at what he's doing. He's just wearing a bow tie and being a posh gentleman. Good day, sir. How are you? Alright, we are at Shifen Laojie. So you know the Ghibli films, the Spirited Away, is actually based on this street itself. So you get a lot of delicious snacks, desserts and food. But the beef is so soft.
I think that we have to clear out the plate. You never put the one that had condensed milk.
Oh yeah, actually you can add condensed milk there.
That's $10, man.
We are at Heping Dao Gongyuan, Heping Island Geopark. So basically this is a conservation site of geological rocks. There's nothing special. There's just lots of rocks and it's by the coast, by the ocean. So get the nice fresh sea breeze, you know. Can you smell the air? The freshness of the air. I come here to see some rock structure. Actually, it's quite scenic. It's quite therapeutic, you know. This is the natural swimming pool that is made out of seawater. It's over there. It's all the to block the seawater debris from coming in. Alright, giant oysters and uni. Look at my giant oyster.
Wow, this you gotta try, man. Come on, no. They cut up. They cut up. Mean okay à? Có màu, là cái gì cả? Wow, so fresh. Em看着听啊。Now you have the uni. The uni.
Why so special for this?
Wow, I love uni. Uni is a quiet taste. Wow.
You capture a lot of attention. People just look at you and
Not everybody likes it.
wondering what the hell are you eating?
Very, very fresh. So basically, these are all the innards and their reproductive system.
All the paper.
You're wondering how the taste tastes like. It's very milky. There's a bit of sweetness and umami to it. Alright guys, look at this fresh plate of clams. It's thick and meaty. Wow. So this one, complimentary of the store owner and the chef. Let me eat one and show you. Very thick and juicy. With this very strong garlicky flavor. Oh my god, so fresh.
So the guy is
Loving you right, baby. Loving rewind. Tell me what's going on now. When I've been switching lanes all the time on the net, AKA just on the edge.
Alright, good morning guys. It is day number one, I can't remember, but we are on day 3 and we are en route to Mao Kong Lanche or Mao Kong Gondola. So basically we'll be going up the mountain to a tea plantation. Today's weather is pretty cloudy. Average temperature is about maybe 28, 27, so it's cooling, but not that cooling. It's my mom and my sister at the back, just enjoying the walk. And we have the LRT equivalent on top. Mao Kong Lanche. There's the gondola that will bring us up to Mao Kong Mountain. I think so. Is it called Mao Kong Mountain? Just to let you know in Singapore how we always stand on the left side of the escalator. In Taipei we stand on the right. And also one thing I realized is that Singapore escalator moves very, very fast. The Taipei one is like a snail. I can literally climb the stairs faster than they walk up the escalator. So, point to note, if guys you're coming to Taipei and you can't wait for long, just walk up the stairs or walk up the escalator. It's just too slow. We are currently up in Mao Kong Mountain. Basically, we are 300 meters up in the air. Am I right to say that? And you can see these are the list of the tea house that can be found in this mountain. It is insane, so many tea farms. So guys, if you really love tea, if you like green tea, red tea, alisan, all this kind of tea, This is the place to come, alright? Guys, this is the place to come. Alright, we just had our tea and we are walking to our lunch spot. We have not been eating vegetables for the past couple of days, so I think this is something that we have been welcoming. Looking forward to eating some like proper dishes because all the while we have just been eating like market stuff. We just need some maybe more nutritious in our bellies. Hi, we're having lunch. Having my mian xian, garlic with a bit of chives. Very fragrant. It's actually very, very light. Very light and fragrant. Enjoying the vlog. Alright, here we have our chicken, our drunkard chicken.
The balls, avoid the ball, please.
Oh, the drunkard chicken. The chicken is a bit tough, but the wine flavor is very strong. This is their version of the tom yum. Just a good vegetable. Alright, now I'll get some of beef stew. Let's just see how this beef stew tastes like. It's a bit sweet. The gaminess of the beef is quite strong, so if you really don't like the beefiness of the beef, right, I think you shouldn't order this. But the sat right, or we call it sauce, it's just very strong, very gao, very thick. Now is to get the tofu. Tastes just like any tofu.
Be right.